you Windermere จะนั่งเรือแต่เรือไม่มาเรืออยู่ไหนก็ไม่รู้ไปเราไปดูเป็ดกันมาชี้มาไอ้เนี่ยไปดูสิไปดูแม่เป็ดอึไหนทุกคนอึแม่เป็ดเป็นอึตรงไหนเนี่ยอึนี่นะมาแล้วมาแล้วมาแล้วมาเข้ามาแล้วเราก็ดูสิบอลมานี่ลงมาดิเขาให้อาหารเป็ดกันHere, today we're going to feed some ducks. This is a very big one. Let's go. ระวังรถนะระวังรถนะบอส1 2เอาผ้าเอาหน้ากากออกหน่อยหน้ากากออกไป1 2บายเธอทำไม่เป็นเราคิดที่เป็นเหมือนนักลันนะอันนี้กล้าจับอันนี้กล้าจับ
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Westmoreland. For sale we have tea, coffee, hot chocolate, selection of alcoholic beverages, selection of soft drinks and snacks. Also available behind the bar is the commentary guide that's priced at £2.50, telling you in more detail about the 3 main cruises that we do on the lake, full of coloured photographs and information about the lake and its surroundings. So before we get too far underway, we might have a request stop to pick up some passengers from Windermere Jetty, the Steamboat Museum. The view, the first small one is Hen Home, the large middle one is Lady Home, and the one in the distance is Rough Home. A few hundred years ago there was a chapel built on Lady Home with 2 priests installed by the local lord of the manor to pray for his family. He gave them 2 fishing boats and 10 fishing nets. He also gave them hens that they kept on the neighbouring island of Hen Home, hence its name. Today, Lady Home is home to the Windermere cormorants, who eat twice their weight in fish a day and can dive to depths of 45 metres. To help them dive to those depths, they do not have waterproof feathers. But because they eat so much fish, it makes their droppings very acidic. So after they've been fishing, they land on the branches of the trees, they do the inevitable that strips the bark from the trees, eventually killing them. They're quite a pest around the shores of Windermere. If you look into the trees on Lady Home, you'll see them at the top of the trees there.
เห็นไหมมันไม่ make sense อันนี้เหรียญ50เล็กกว่าเหรียญ10นี่50อันนี้เป็น20
The dark brown buildings coming into view on the right hand side. This is the Windermere Steamboat Museum, or as it's known now, Windermere Jetty. It houses some of the oldest boats in the world. It's got steam launch dolly, believed to be the oldest mechanically propelled boat, dating back to 1850. And it has Margaret, believed to be the oldest UK sailing boat, dating back to 1780, and once owned by the Kerwin family, who owned Belle Isle just off Bowness. The Steamboat Museum originally opened in 1977, and Prince Charles came to officially open it. Then it closed in 2006 due to lack of funding and storm damage. And it's been a bit stop-start in its rebuild since, but it managed to open earlier in the year, and Prince Charles came back to officially open it. There doesn't seem to be anybody to pick up, so we'll be making our way round on the cruise. So as I say, Prince Charles came back to officially open it again earlier in the year. And if you're here for a few days, it's well worth visiting. As if you get up close to the boats, you see how beautifully restored and looked after they are. And you can also pay a little bit extra ground for one of the traditional steam launches. The one they're using at the moment is Osprey, built in 1902. You might see her a little bit later on in the cruise.
15ไม่มี20ก็เข้ามา30ก็ไม่มี20
Around the island to obscure the house from view. But not only did it obscure the house from view for many months of the year, it also makes the island a lot more private. So I'm not sure who actually won out on that one. Now owned by a local businessman.
ไอลงไปข้างล่างค่ะเดี๋ยวเจอกันเนาะไปเรียกพ่อขึ้นมาถ่ายเปล่าไม่เดี๋ยวพ่อถ่ายอ๋อเนี่ยพ่อต้องไปยืนในตรงที่เขายืนกันนะBoss.
And it has 52 windows for the weeks of the year, with 360. So if you look straight ahead of us, you'll see 2 yachts side on to us, and then just to the left of the yachts is a red buoy. And if you look ahead of that red buoy as we make until they moved to the annex alongside it, and it became 14 luxury apartments in 2006. And recently there was a 3-bedroomed apartment for sale with a slight view of the lake for £500,000. Sounds a lot of money, but a bit later on in the cruise you'll see that's not so bad value. Name of Dog Kennel Island, as when the ferry house was the Ferry House Hotel, the proprietor kept his foxhounds on the island. I expect when there was a hunt he would get one of the staff to row across, collect the hounds from the island, returning them the same way at the end of the hunt. I doubt he ever got his hands wet doing that task. Today Crowholme's home to nesting swans and other wild birds from around the lake. Just to our right there is the annex where the Freshwater Biological Association now have their headquarters. I expect you to agree it won't win any awards for architecture. The ruin coming into view up on the right hand. So ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes time we'll be getting back to the piers at Bowness. And I hope you point on till we're fully secured alongside the pier, and I'll let you know when it's safe to stand and leave the vessel.